What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is just kind of a random little update, kind of vlog style type thing. And I haven't made a video in quite a while. I've just been busy with projects and fixing things and just stuff that I had to kind of get done. And also it's been raining a lot out here. We've been harvesting crops and everything, so it's been just kind of busy, so we haven't had a lot of time to sit down and make videos and just do stuff. So I kind of want to give you guys an update of what I've been up to. As you can see, we have lots of chainsaws around here. Been working on a lot of chainsaws, trying to get one chainsaw that runs great. I had this steel and chainsaw right here. I'm getting a key made for the flywheel. Right in there. Gotta make a little keyway to go in there. And then that chainsaw should be good to go. Make sure that runs perfectly fine. Gotta get this thing right here back out again. Revive that, fix a tire, hopefully make another video with that thing soon. This ATV over here, I plan on putting an 8 horsepower Tecumseh flathead engine in this thing and making this thing just insane. Because right now it has a 50cc 4-speed transmission in it with engine, and it's one of those performance engines, so it moves. I mean, it's not slow. But I think put an 8 horsepower engine in it with manual clutch and everything, this thing is going to totally rip. So that's going to be a pretty fun build. And the scooter right over here, I found, actually both these scooters came from a junkyard. But this scooter right here, this blue one, came with a 350 watt motor, which was not that great. The batteries in it still were fairly good, but the motor was like not powerful at all. So I swapped out with a 600 watt brushed motor. It was a lot better. But still, for out here on this stones and dirt road and everything, just not that great. So I'm going to be putting this 50cc 2-stroke motor on it, and this has the stiff-roll clutch with this gearbox in it, 5:1 gear ratio in it already, which is going to be perfect for that scooter because it has that exact same chain on it, and that should bolt right up there perfectly fine, and that thing will have power and move before. I've put this engine on a full-size bike before, and that thing moved and had a lot of power, but chains kept falling off and it just wasn't really done right. So we're going to put this thing on there, that little scooter, small tires, should have a ton of power, and hopefully have wheelie potential, which would be amazing. But yeah, so that's about all I've been doing as of now. Still working that skid loader. Haven't made any videos about that yet, but I will be making videos with that soon, hopefully, of, you know, like doing stuff in the woods, clearing land, moving logs, stuff like that. But so yeah, so let me know what you guys think about my shop. What do I need in my shop? What do you want me to see in my shop? Do you want to do a shop tour of my entire shop here, or is it boring? You don't want to see that kind of stuff? Let me know. Also, it's been raining a lot out here lately, so I have a time lapse that I filmed a couple days ago of the sun setting with a thunderstorm rolling in. It's pretty amazing. So I'll show that at the end of this video. But so yeah, it's been kind of wet, so I haven't really been able to do much outside lately, except messing around with stuff in the shop. So, but soon we'll be getting out, cutting trees down, moving stuff with the skid loader, filming ATV videos, just doing awesome stuff. So I'll roll the time-lapse video right now. And we're back. Did you enjoy that? Leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. So, that's about all that's going on in the shop and the Excitement Technology shop as of now. So, tell me what future build projects you want to see. I have 2 or 3 videos that are coming out soon of shop, of builds and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. What do you guys want me to do? So I'm here for the audience, which is you guys. So, but let me know what you guys think. So this is kind of the quick 5-second shop tour of what our shop looks like. Boom, there we go. So, thanks for watching Excitement Technology. Be sure to subscribe, like this video. I will see you guys next time.